Today's video is about
Mother's Day.
cooking for Mother's Day.
Oh yeah, I did. Where's the Wagyu? Oh yeah, I bought $20.50 Wagyu.
Mm-hmm.
And then after this, we are going to the cinema. That's actually my Mother's Day present. So much carrots.
The Wagyu, have you marinated?
As I said, we don't need to marinate it. We just need to season it.
Okay.
And you said it's pretty much the same. But I wouldn't really agree, but oh well.
You know, in cutting, you need to cut it uniformly, right? Thickness-wise.
I am trying my best.
Okay.
I'm just waiting, honestly.
So, you're gonna have early lunch?
Yeah, we don't want to be late for the movie. We already paid.
Marco also already
The
cooked
rice
the rice.
also. Wait, the rice already cooked.
No, okay, open. Oh, it's cooked already.
I'm just
Great.
gonna leave that there.
Oh, Marco can survive by itself, by himself. Uchi. Later, Kabi Big Monster no longer working here. You can cook your own lunch, okay? Marco also cut this already. Prepared.
I'm honestly very bored looking at this.
Eh,
I give you more carrot.
you already start plating, which is actually supposed to be the last thing to do, right?
Do you want ketchup on your rice?
No, I don't like ketchup. Now it's cooking the egg.
I
Done?
really hope I don't burn my Wagyu.
Is it done? I heat up the stove. Which? Actually, you should wait until the things hot there. Push. Not hot yet.
Wow.
Is it omurice? You need to have the glove. Cast iron don't have the glove. Aduh. You need a small fire because if not burn. You cannot using hand That one very hot. Or one person two omelette nah.
One person one omelette.
As in 2 egg is it? Can I just have 1 egg only?
What?
I don't want I don't want salt.
I actually put air salt. It's a special type of salt which has no sodium.
Why you keep shut shit, shut shit, shut shit?
Oh, I should have put cheese. That's okay lah. Let ready for cheese.
Slide it. Slide it. You need help?
Hey, that works.
Okay.
That slightly worked. That. I already off the stove.
Okay.
So your one is
Right.
nicer than mine. Good. Just randomly making. See what I can do with this.
Marco, can don't play with this, please.
I'm not playing. I'm just seeing whether I can give extra egg to you, of course. Okay. That's random bits and pieces of it. 3-4 minutes. So I'm just gonna have to wait after.
So this is the meat,
No, like it cooks for 3-4 minutes.
Wagyu meat Marco bought from Cold Storage.
Is there any oil? Where's the oil?
No, no need oil. This one is already oiled. One, please. Use the tongs.
Too late.
Don't touch the thing, Marco. You use this one. Can I have the tongs?
It smells nice.
So cooking using the pan.
Like half of the steak there.
Half of the steak, it's medium. It's medium. Still
bit
have the
overcooked.
red one.
Should be good, right?
Marco finished cooking. Look at the medium rare steak.
I take photo already.
Oh yeah? So are you happy with the result?
Yes.
You're happy with the result?